Hello, this is Jim Tech Buzz. We got a nice new product in from Breggz, and these are a fantastic pair of earbuds. Quite expensive, but IMAX DTS. So we're going to give you an unboxing first, and we'll have a review later on. So they're called the Zhon-1. Pre-order now. Excellent packaging. On the bottom here, true wireless in-ear computer. And that's pretty much it, made for iPhone on the back. But nice presentation off the bat. And you get this here like so, which is excellent. I just want to hear the world to hear right here. You open up, you've got a QR code here, and you've got the earbuds here in a super cool case, which is really nice. So I love my earbuds, and I especially love different cases than the generic case, which we've done a few of before, which is nice to see. So these are packed with features, and you can see the quality of the case alone there, which is really nice. And we'll have a look at it now. So let's take these out of the box, I guess, and have a gander of what they look like. Right, so this all pops out here like so, and you're left with this underneath here, and yeah, protection sets. So we get this little cloth, and it has the Breggz writing on the front, and this little brush here, a little tool. We'll suss out what that's for as we go along. And it's nice to see you have little tools like that inside. Right. Take it away. Doesn't appear to be any books or anything. So, out of the box there, you can see the open up. You've got the circular dial here, which is a button as well. And you can see in here joints where it closes and so on. And oh, pretty cool. Underneath we've got this. How do we get these out? We just push them out. Your extra tips there, by the looks of it. Let's just pop on and off there. So you could literally, you could keep that and keep it on if you want to. It's up to yourself what way you want to go. And here's the case. Nice rubber feet on the bottom. There's a USB-C on the back. There's leather texture here on the front, all around the sides. And that's pretty much it there. So they open out like this, which is cool. Something different. I like to see something different, which is great when it comes to design and cases and so on, rather than the standard, which is great. Magnetic holders, so you can see here, both sides like that, and you've got some buttons on top. Raised. Built-in kind of wings, if you understand, or kind of, people will call these all different kind of names, or sometimes they're made of rubber. These are actually built onto the actual earbud itself. They do look on the big side. Quickly going to pop them in. And very good. The they fit really well actually with the tips that's on them. Now, that's just me. When you get new earbuds, you should just check all the tips anyhow and get your own fit. Everyone's different, but they do isolate a lot of the noise once they're in the ear. As you can see here, the design basically fits around the ear like so. That's basically it. Very nice looking. Again, excuse me, they've got a nice finish and they seem fairly robust. So I'm going to take them off and test them. Watch the full review coming soon on techbuzzworld.com, and of course here. Interesting to see what they've got to offer, because they have an app as well with lots of stuff on it, which is excellent. So hang around, stay tuned, subscribe. See you in the next one.